This inspection phase is crucial, as any deviation would compromise the structural integrity of the FA-18E pylon assemblies.
Advanced robotics ensure the structural integrity of every component.
Inventory manifest confirms the batch.
Confirmed. Proceeding to machining.
High-pressure jets apply a specialized, deionized cleaning solution to the titanium sheets. This turbulent cleaning action removes high-pressure water mixed with abrasive garnet slices phase through the titanium sheets. The jet The Process B titanium sheets are chemically etched in a sealed bath, changing the surface texture from smooth to slightly rough. A robotic system begins to pre-weld tack points, holding the complex internal structure in perfect alignment before the full fusion welding process. Specialized stencils are automatically applied to the newly painted FA-18E Super Hornet pylon assembly, marking
Checking the seam right here. Looks good. What about this section near the bolt? See that slight inconsistency in the texture? The calibration sequence is complete, process A is fully finalized and ready for the next run.
Confirmed. Moving to secure the zone.
The Process B zone focuses on etched, high-grade titanium alloy sheets. These are staged next to pre-impregnated.
These glossy composite layers are meticulously stacked, optimizing the panel's strength-to-weight ratio, critical for the FA-18E.
Once the curing cycle is complete, the panels emerge from the autoclave. This accelerated aging test ensures the composite titanium bond withstands extreme weather conditions encountered.
Keep it coming left.
Easy now, watch the edge.
All right, set it down right here.
Yours. The technician quickly engages the quick-release fasteners, securing the panel smoothly.
The quick-release fastener secures the access panel in a flush fit, ensuring a fit. This
The structural integrity check confirms the secure integration of the access panels, vital for maintaining aerodynamic profile during high-stress maneuvers.
Structural check on Pylon 4.
Reading green. Impact sensors clear.
Engaging panel release tool.
Bring her back another 2 feet.
Affirmative. Visual on the panel. Looks solid.